Hey you, welcome to a day in my life as a content creator living in Atlanta, Georgia. So I start with making a list of the content I'm going to make. Then I get my tripods together and going to pack them. I'm also going to be packing my camera equipment in my bag, just making sure I have everything, and I'm about to get ready. Then this is me driving to the location. I already went ahead of time to go find one. So we're just going to be driving there today with my bag in the background. Here's the beautiful location we're going to be shooting in today. And I'm just going to be setting up my equipment. Most of the time I take my photos by myself, so this is me making sure I'm getting the right angles. And it was so cold this day, but I needed to get the shoot done. And I had changed outfits and I was just taking some more photos. I have a remote in my hand, so I position the camera and I just pose. Look at that. And I just pose and try to get the shots that are required. So this is a different angle, and I'm just gonna go check to make sure everything's fine. And that was a little shiver because I was actually so cold. And there's the remote. But yeah, this is my process most of the time. I'm just checking to make sure all the photos that I took were good, and watch out for the photos that I took today.